Alright, so in the lessons, we have already seen how to set the breakpoint over the post request, and that was the demonstration how it can be done. But we can also set the breakpoint over the GET request, and all of the requests, that is the HTTP verbs, are supported over the target site. So in this quick demo, I am going to show how a GET request can be trapped inside the breakpoint, and we can change everything in the fly. So let's start. Here is the captured target site, that is the greyhead.teachable.com. in this case, this is for demonstration purpose only. And now I'm going to set the breakpoint. So as you can see, here is the GET request, and here are the courses with the ID. So for the last one, we can see the course ID is 747084, and name is PenTesting and Security Testing with OWASP ZAP Mastery Course. So this is for the same course that you are attending at this time. And coming to the next one, we can see the course name here, Web Application Penetration Testing Professional, and the course ID having the different numbers. Now let's open it, and then we will set the breakpoint on the desired GET request. So for that reason, I'm going to set here. So let me open this first using the browser. Open URL in browser, that is the Firefox, and here it is now opening. Alright, so this is the course. As we can see, this is clear, and Web Application Penetration Testing. Now what I will do is I will set the breakpoint on the same course, that is the Web Applications. So let me first move to the home page, go to courses. Alright, so now I will click from here. So the breakpoint will be here. What I will do is simply right click on the context menu or the site tree and click over break. Everything will be same because the OWASP ZAP is intuitive, and it detects all of the strings and regular expressions, how it can be matched, and how everything goes in a intuitive way. So just save it, and breakpoint have been set on the GET request. Here we can see this is the URL and the ID parameter. The same request is here. Once the breakpoint will be caught or trapped inside the ZAP or the browser, then it will be a stick over that, and it will come to the ZAP. Let's see everything in action. So we have set for the courses 185044, and now we will change with other course IDs from anyone from here. So in this case, we can see this is for the ZAP course. So I will say it probably on that. So that is the 747084. So let's first visit that site and allow the ZAP to trap that request first. So this was the course, and once I will click it, it will be trapped. So as we can see, there is no any course IDs here. So we need to paste that thing in order to get trapped here. So I will just put that URL and hit enter, and now it's done. We can see the breakpoint has been trapped. This is the GET request, and now we can edit from this breakpoint tab, and everything is editable. We can change from course IDs. So let me show you how the course IDs can be changed in the fly. As we already trapped the GET request in the browser will be sticked, and it will be just reloading, and it will wait until you set or forward the request using this button. Otherwise it will be just waiting for you. So let me change this with the course ID and 747084. And Now I will just submit and it's done. We can see it has been changed and it is still reloading. So this is how GET request trapping, setting breakpoint over that, and editing, changing everything in the fly is possible using the ZAP tool. This is so easy as that. Let me show you one another thing too. So for the course category, we can see here there are a lot more course category. Let me delete this breakpoint, that was the earlier one. Here is the bug hunty, bug bounty. This is the course category where you need to select for any category, and I'm going to set for bug bounty here. So it will be break, and new breakpoint has been created. And moving to this site, let's go to that category. Here is the category that says everything. So the breakpoint was set for bug bounty. If I'm going to select for any other categories, it will not be trapped. But once I'm going to click over the bug bounty category, it will be trapped inside the ZAP. Alright, we can see this is the break tab that has been highlighted, and from the browser to ZAP has automatically be transferred on the screen. So now we can edit from here. So from the bug bounty we can change to OWASP ZAP. %20 in this case is used for the white spaces. So in simple, it is a space. And from now we can change everything like the user agent. I am going to change for the Linux one, or anything you can put here. Like in this case, if I am putting some IMG tag, in case of attacking, if we are going to test for bug hunting or any site related or client side attacks. So for the demo purpose, this is the user agent that has been changed. We can also change the referrer value, and for the attack purpose we can put the payload at this point, and now just submit it and it will be changed to the course category, that is OWASP ZAP. And here we go, we can see OWASP ZAP has been changed from ethical hacking. So this is so easy and simple to do. We can change from any request, any GET, post, or any kind of hey, trash, put, and connect as well. So the every request you see here inside the ZAP can be used to trap that session, because that is the reason why this button is here, that set breakpoint on all requests and responses that is going throughout the proxy or the intercepting using the browser. So that's all for how a GET request can be used to trap that. And one point to remember is that the ZAP tool, that is the desktop one, over the Mac have some bugs that don't show everything in a usual way. So for better experience, you can use to or switch over Windows or the Kali Linux. That's all. Thank you.